Okay, this is how you clean your pennies. It's a nice experiment. And here's one of the dirtiest pennies I could find. Okay, here's my jar of pennies. Most of them are a little clean, but I didn't do it. Okay, all you have to do is put some vinegar until it covers the pennies. You need a tablespoon of salt, like this. And then you put the top on. Oops. Okay. And down.
French vanilla.
And it sits there for a while. Let it settle, and then it will clean your pennies. Okay, now open this thing up. Oh, our pennies are. See how our pennies are. Okay. See? See what I clean pennies? There. Don't worry about me. Your experiment will probably go smoother. Okay.